Hello everyone, welcome back to Royal Choice Cakes and More YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to test for the effectiveness of your baking powder. Let's go on. So in this video, you'll be needing a bowl, then this should be your warm water, then the baking powder. Then the tools we'll be using is 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon. So what you're going to do first is that you're going to measure 3 tablespoons of warm water into the bowl. Then this 1, 2, 3. Then to our baking powder, we'll measure half teaspoon into the warm water. Make sure it's leveled. Then you pour it in and you stir lightly. So you see as it fills, it means that your baking powder is active. So this baking powder can be used to bake, but if it doesn't, just make sure you discard this baking powder and get a new one. Thank you.